What's up, family? What you guys got going on? We are here. So we're starting our vlog in the car. We're all packed up, we're ready to go for this long ass flight. But we in it. We in it.
In it to win it. You know what it is already.
The hubby driving.
No.
All right, we on our way to MIA. Asa dia?
MIA to depart to the. You know what it is already.
You know what it is. To the Dubai.
Dubai.
So we're gonna show you guys a couple of stuff. We're gonna make a stop first. You know we have to get something to eat.
Okay, you know I love my food. It must be damn, I'm so hungry. You know I love my food, man. Gotta get it. You know what it is already.
Yeah, so we're gonna stop and get something to eat. You know, from where we live to Miami is about 3 hours. So we're gonna stop, eat something. After that, go to Miami, check in, and then relax.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, yeah, we gotta get there.
We gotta get there.
I hope you guys enjoyed all the other videos. Some of the videos, like one of the videos was like previously recorded. But when you guys see those, we're still in Dubai. And we're gonna have a lot of vlog, a lot of stuff for you guys. We're gonna show you as much stuff as we can. You know, we're going to a different country, different rules, so we have to follow their rules. Just like when they come here, they follow our rules, right? Or we hope they do. But we're gonna have an adventure. I already had fun. Right, Sugarfoot?
Always. You know it's First Lady time. This whole week was First Lady birthday. You already know what it is already.
Alright, so we'll see you guys later. Krispy Kreme. We gotta hit the Krispy Kreme, dog. That's where we're going, guys. Hitting that Krispy Kreme. Since it's my birthday, I get a free dozen.
Yeah, right.
That's right.
That's what we do.
Yep, and the light is on, so it's nice and hot. You see? Look, you see the light is on. It's red. That means hot.
Hungry, my youth.
Hungry. So here goes the donuts. Krispy Kreme.
She makes sure she put her 6 in her side, you know?
That's right. We got a dozen, but I had them separated because I can't even open this thing. Hold on, guys.
Because why? Because you don't want me to eat it off?
That too. But oh, that's how it goes. We got a dozen.
Look at that.
But I put half a dozen in one container, half a dozen in another. Because we're gonna devour these donuts before we eat some food. And then it's easier for us to take it with us on the plane. If you guys didn't know, you can take food on the plane, you just can't take liquid.
My nigga, you take up all the fucking spot.
All of the spot, my yacht. Krispy Kreme donuts! Yeah! We already have gas, we just stopping in at the gas station.
Get that Arizona, we gotta get that good Arizona, you feel me?
Gotta get that black people juice.
Gotta get that black people juice right there, the Arizona dollar, you feel me?
What's going on over here? What you got there?
No, I gotta
Husband?
get that. I gotta get that special goat, you know. Anytime you come to that Alaka deal, you know, we gotta stop and get that goat, you know.
Man, that looks good.
Look at that. Look at that. And I gotta. You should have my fried chicken I got back there too.
He always get extra rice.
Look at my fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
Come on now.
Wow.
Look at that, family.
You know you gotta get 2 meals.
Gotta get 2 meals. Gotta get it while it's on the special. You feel me?
Well, I can't complain because I have a meal and
Exactly,
a soup.
family. She got a soup, a large soup, and she got a meal. So
I got
family, she gonna tear it up, no cap. See, family, it's all gone. See that? No cap. So that's that, family. I was hungry.
Let me tell you something. This guy, that food was full. It was packed to the brim.
Now.
I love you, I tell.
I'm a fried chicken right here.
They couldn't give you a chicken.
Give me some more chicken, right?
I was stingy with the chicken, man.
You want a leg? You sure? So what I got right now is rice and peas with oxtail gravy. Right? Rice and peas with oxtail gravy and fried chicken. didn't have no white meat. You know I love the breast. They didn't have that, so ooh, it's not bad. You want to try? So I had to get the dark meat. The first lady always get. You sure you don't want to try? Think about it. I don't want to be the only one. Look greedy. Not that hot. That's some curry goat funny thing.
Good.
Good, right? So yeah, family. I told you. I've been craving this. When first lady bought the donuts, I said, listen, if I didn't eat a donut, you'd know it's serious, family. You know what I'm saying?
That is true.
I didn't eat no donut. Got my donut to when I'm there at the airport sitting down waiting for the flight. We gonna be touring the airport like tourists. You know how you gotta do. You know when you have those international flights, you gotta be there 3 hours before, family. You know, so we don't want to have no problem. I'd rather get there early, and if there's a problem, we can fix it. You feel me?
For real.
Before you don't want a piece of the leg? You sure?
No time.
Okay. Do y'all want a piece for her? Okay, here.
Don't give them my food.
I'm gonna get them because you say you don't want it. Here. Here, take these. There you go. Look at that. Not KFC.
RFC.
RFC. Yo.
Woo.
That chicken is seasoned.
Season.
Yeah.
I wanted to come back on here and show you guys Richie plate. Because he tried to sneak it.
I don't know where my food go. The rice is buttery. That's what I like. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Y'all tell me. First they don't know neither. I try to figure out where it goes. I don't have no hair no more, so.
Let me tell you something. Maybe it's because this restaurant is already stingy with the food. The food good. The food is good. Don't get me wrong, but I'm stingy with the food, man. So maybe because they're stingy with the food, two of lunch special is like one large. You understand? But it doesn't matter. Even if Richie had a large and a lunch special, he's still gonna brush it.
I brushed it down before too. They don't believe that. They know say yo. And look, I'm about to done 2 food before she even done 1. Look at that. Could y'all see it? Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, I'm about to done 2 before she done 1.
Yo, you love telling people my business?
She got small mouth. More too small one. And what make it worse, I'm eating it and it's not getting caught on my beard.
Oh. That is true.
But they should give me some more chicken. They should get cooked. Stingy with chicken. This is good though. You enjoy your food?
I sure did.
That's good. I say, boy, you donut? And she only left 1.
What a man can die.
How much you left? Come chef in here.
I 3 minutes.
Oh, well, so you eat 3. That's not bad. Okay. This is good.
Listen. I'll come back and let you guys see my soup. Maybe.
Yeah.
If not, we'll see you on the flip side. We'll see when we're going to the airport. Here we are, guys, at the airport, Miami International.
Gang, we outside, you know? We outside with it. You know what it is already. Hold on, let me get a look, baby. Get a picture of the birthday girl. Okay, there we go. Outfit of the day, you know?
Okay, you see your sugar foot?
You know, little light, little tracksuit, you know? When you're a ball player, you know you gotta wear these stuff when you're a ball player.
Okay.
I got my basketball suit, you know?
You gonna play basketball?
Yeah, my traveling basketball suit, you know? When you're a basketball player, that's what you do. You feel me? My whole crew got one of these, you feel me?
Oh, Lord.
Sponsored by me.
We fixing a suitcase.
Like our suitcase got a big teeth in there.
we put these little things on it so we can know which one is ours.
First time you can't see. Can't see the family. Can't see one shit.
Ever. You guys see my bedazzle shoes? My bedazzle Crocs? I bedazzled them.
That's what I said.
You're a hater. Look at that.
What? See?
I
Yeah.
bedazzled it. Look at that. The next foot. Look at that. He got his Crocs on. Dad. Tamir decorated his. This is how I look. I put my hood on. What?
Put your hand in the pocket.
This is.
Put your hand in the
See
pocket.
that? What's in there?
Let's see how far it's going to go. All the way down, you see? Look sure.
Please.
Yeah, but can't see my pocket, my you.
But I put my hood on so I can stay warm. You guys know how the airport is. It's always mucho frio. You understand? So we got through. Now we're walking through security. Go get checked. So guys, we're gonna actually stop at Turkey. Stop in Turkey, Istanbul. And then the rest of the way to Dubai. So we made it through. We're going to our gate now. Whew.
You got all these stuff in there.
But it's not open, guys. It was 1, 2, 3. It wasn't that bad. Let me stop being dramatic. Everything here, guys. Check it out. They have Boss. They have MAC. We're gonna get some makeup, get some MAC. This is at Miami International. Then they have Coach, which is not open. You know, it is late right now. Our flight is leaving late, so. And here goes my hubby. This is my luggage, my carry-on. Just have the laptop in there, my blanket. It's really not much in there, but I just decided to put my stuff in there so I don't have to carry it on my shoulder. Ooh. This is in the airport. If you want to buy your boo thing something, this is nice. Look at that. This is really nice. And then we're just gonna chill out. We have a couple of hours until our flight takeoff. It's better to get to the airport early so you can sit down and relax and not be stressed out trying to get through everything, you know,
Family.
just in case something goes wrong.
I'm gonna be sleeping. You already know. As soon as I hit that, I'm out.
The first thing they asked us, family, was PCR? PCR? If you don't have PCR, you're not gonna wear it? So again, guys, we've never, wow, I haven't seen a payphone in years. Wow, payphone. So, look at that, guys. Let me know if you guys have payphones in your area because I haven't seen payphones in a long time. No service. So family, there's no service. I was planning on doing my TikToks.
Ain't no service.
No
See?
service.
Spinning.
None.
And I hope y'all can see you're spinning.
So we're here waiting for the plane. We're not rushing it. We're taking, let it take its time. Let it come when it's supposed to come. So it can get us there when it's supposed to get us there.
Get
You
us
understand?
safe.
Safe and sound.
Wow. We landed.
One flight down.
One flight down, one
One
to
to
go.
go.
One to go.
The second one is not as long, so it's about 4 hours. So
Yep.
we did good.
We did good.
Turkish airport. Okay. Nice.
What time did the whole car come by?
Run there. That's their wheelchairs, guys. That's their wheelchair. They don't push. Damn.
Oh yeah.
It's really nice.
Some bold.
Nice.
Dirty.
Nice and clean. Very clean. Look at this. This is in the airport. That's in the airport in Turkey. No, Turkey airport banging.
They nice with it. We was down on the local part.
Yes.
We up here on the big spot. It's
Big
like a
spot.
mall, B.
This is
Okay.
nice. Wow. It's like a mall. Tom, just like a mall. They got Shake Shack. Look at all these. This is really nice, guys. Let me see this now. Wow. Very clean. You can buy two, get one free. I didn't show that one.
How much of the price?
A is up there. A is that way. They got Lego. You wanna buy your kid a Lego? Guys, it is really nice.
Turkey popping.
Look at that, look at that clothes. What? You know, so them clothes are nice, isn't it? The A is coming on. That was, she did say you are quite a ways away. I was like, damn. Ooh, look at that, LC. Wow. So after we find our gate, we gotta go explore my youth. This is nice. Look at that store, guys. This is in the airport. In the airport.
The airport, family.
Let me see something. Wow.
Sorry, excuse me.
Nice. Look at that. More jewelry. All right. A is still straight. Guys, again, this is in the airport, okay? This is not a mall. This is not a mall, guys. This is in the airport.
All right, here we got our breakfast right here, you know. We just had to go get tea. Guess what? We went up to the people asking if they take US dollar. The man said yes. So we gave them, you know what I mean, the exact change. We gave them penny. The man said, no, we don't take these pennies, but we take everything else. So we got some Krispy Kreme donut here that we had when we bought from the States. I got a lemon mint Lipton tea and First Lady right here. First Lady, say hi.
What's up, peoples?
We tired and we're boarding over there.
We're in Turkey. It's cold here, so
It's cold here.
We had my jacket on. I was hot.
Yeah.
And I was like, why is it so hot in this airport? I forgot outside is brick.
Yeah. So First Lady going to a little suitcase. So you know we're going to dig in right now. And then that's it. We're going to consume.
We're gonna consume.
Alright, we catch you when we board the plane. Alright, and next stop is Dubai.
Have a nice one. We are Dubai, son.
Good man. We outside, gang. We out here with it.
No, here now. The party is here.
We are in Dubai. Alright guys, this is the train, little trolley train that we're taking to go get our luggage.
We in Dubai. We outside. I can't believe that.